Hey YouTube, you're watching EXQUISITEMAD. We're going to be doing a product how-to and also product review on Armor All tire shine. So let's just see how it works. First thing that we're going to do is read the instructions. Real easy. It says shake well before use, apply to a clean dry tires, spray 6 inches away in a circular and steady sweeping motion. Ensure full and even sidewall coverage to allow dry 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, main thing that we're going to look at right here, we're going to see if this product even looks good. Let's see if it runs. Let's see if it has a good spray pattern. That's the way it looks. So what I'm going to do, we're going to come down here, we're going to look at this tire here. This tire and this rim was just cleaned a few hours ago. So let's go ahead and just see how it does. Huh. Okay. Well.
User error.
Yes. All right, let's see. This is awful. This is a real life product review of this product. And I think...
Let me see.
No. Keep recording. Keep recording. This is real life. Oh, it's working. This is a real life review, y'all. This is real life. You want a real review, real product review? This is it. So we're gonna let it do its thing. It looks like it's already drying. Looks like it's set up. It's a very, very interesting product. That's how we get it done. But see, when I'm holding down the trigger on this thing, it takes a minute for it to, and it's for it to engage. It's a very, very weird bottle. So anyway, that's how you use it. Product review is that it sticks to it. It does spray in a very, very concise pattern. So would I recommend it? Sure. I mean, it looks like it works pretty good. It's very, very thick, but the can is very, very peculiar. So, but anyway, this has been a review of Armor All Tire Shine. It seems like it's high gloss, easy, no mess application, long lasting protection. I would say that the finish on here is going to be pretty nice. Looking at it, it looks like it'll be pretty nice. So anyway, I hope this helps how to use this. This has been a real product review. You've seen how this can performs, see how it works. Doesn't work very well, not really user friendly. So anyway, drop a comment in the comment section to see if you had an experience a little bit different than what we just had here with this product. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. And this has been a review on Armor All Tire Shine. What's going on YouTube? You're watching EXQUISITEMAD. Be sure to like and subscribe and remember to hit that bell.